Well, today I thought I'd just have a little fun with my Mavic Air 2, and if you can see the cows are down there, I'm up on a pool bank. I'm just going to fly down there and just play with them. I'm not going to hurt them. I'd probably not even scare them, but I'm just going to see what the reaction is when I get real close. Now, I flew over them before, and they don't really do a whole lot, but I'm going to see how close I can get to them, and let's see what the reaction is.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Well, it don't seem like it scares them very much, and I didn't think it would, but hey, let's bring it home. See if we can land on this pad. Man, it's windy now. I hope I can hit this board. I could let it do it by itself, but that's no fun. Bingo. Hey, I hit the middle of the board on a windy day. I'm just a rookie pilot, so hey, I'm happy with that. Well, as you can tell, them cows wasn't very scared. I didn't hurt them, didn't even really make them run. But hey, if you enjoyed this fun video, just getting out in the country playing around, hey, please give me a thumbs up. Watch my other Mavic Air 2 videos. I'm gonna put a link there at the end so you can click on and see them all. So hey, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.